Yeah, on today's video, we are going to be treating how you can achieve three different types of design on the back slits of a senator dress. So if you are returning, you are welcome back to the channel, and if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome to this channel as well. So please do click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will get notification whenever I drop an amazing video like this again. So now the first thing to do is to first mark this is a 1.5, to first mark the back slits. So if you are here to know how we draft this senator dress, you can check the link of the video on the description box below. So this is where the slit will start from. Then you measure 7 inches. So you start from the armhole of the dress. So after you have chalked it like this, the next thing to do is to proceed to the sewing machine. So now, after you have done that, you lay the material like this. Make sure that the edge is rhyme, all the parts is rhyme, and then you reinforce the edge. And make sure that when you are stitching here, make sure there's the machine, you set the machine very well, and you reinforce this place as well. You skip this middle, that is where the opening of the back slits will be, and you reinforce here also. Make sure you hold the dress at the back. You handle the clothes very well. So this is how to avoid the squeezing on the material on the when you stitch it, so that when you iron it, the back will lay properly well. So just notch that place and set the notching on the center. Then you stitch it like this. First stitch it like this. So please make sure you handle the material very well while you are sewing that the previous place we sew now, so that when you iron it, the material will lay properly well. And make sure that there is no loop on the stitches, that is, the down thread is not showing at the upper part, while the upper thread is not showing, up thread is not showing as the down part. So these are the things that make your work to relax and to avoid a squeeze. On one of these days, I will give you a video on how to adjust your machine if the machine is not working properly well. So now, before we do this, we have to iron it out. So now, after you cut it, you cut the thread. So the next thing to do is to proceed to the table and iron the material. So you first lay it like this and iron where we stitch, iron the stitches so that it will relax properly well. So if you are not using steam iron, you can just drink a little water on the material, then you open the middle like this. So stitching the down part will help the material to relax very well. So iron it properly well. Do it all through. Make sure that the opening, the material is relaxed very well while you iron it. Make sure it's relaxed and turn it to the front. So if you are not using steam iron, just try to find the pressing clothes and lay it on the material. Then you sprinkle water on it and you iron it. You can see the opening now. You can see the opening of the back slit now. So now I will be showing you the 3 ways you can stitch the back here. That's the slit. You can see the slit now. So I'll be showing you 3 ways in which you can stitch that place. So let's get to the machine now. So now the number 1 stitches, you can decide to leave it like this without stitching it. You can just leave it like this without stitching here. So that's the first one. Then the second one is to stitch the upper part like this, just to reverse a bit, like ½ inch, just to tack it like this, and you tack the down part also. That's the second design you can stitch on it. So now the third design, I will do that on this edge. So these 3 designs, you can do any one at the back of the senator dress. So just follow that guideline. So that's 1.2. So then you turn it like this, give it like a triangle shape, So if you know that you cannot stitch it and make it rhyme like this, you can just find the paper and you draw it on the back of the material, or better still, you leave it without stitching the back, or you just stack it without making it like a triangle like this. So hope this video is helpful. Please do well to subscribe to the channel till I bring you another amazing video like this again. Remain blessed. Bye.